how do you look at areas like you talked about green sustainability per se, as well as water, areas of those kind, because that's going to be critical for the people of our country and for the people of the world. So I wanted your thoughts on these two areas too, please.
As you rightly mentioned, one is HR. Human resource development is very, very important. That is where you have to bring global universities and also global knowledge to India. Even our universities are emerging, but some of the global universities are well in advance. How to bring them? That is where we are working in Andhra Pradesh also. Second one is online, offline, continuous learning is going on, either skill development and also other areas. I have seen recently some people are doing different models, skill capacity building, skill development. Yesterday I have seen one person has come. He wanted to do every constituency 100 members as a model, free of cost for the government. I asked him, what is the benefit for you? If I do this, around 17,500 members, I will give you free training. Then that is successful model, then everybody will aware. Then is going for each center 6 lakhs premium and also training models for different training, different rates. He showed me one demonstration 45 days, knowledge around 25%, it is quantum jump of 50 to 60%. Skill development for 30% to 70%. You showed me test this boy, then only you believe me. So that type of trusted models are coming. Second is health. Health, there will be tremendous changes in course of time. Now, Bill Gates, through foundation we are working a project. Kupam is a proof of concept. Andhra Pradesh is a proof of concept. First bit, one constituency we are doing. 15th of this month we are inaugurating that project. All medical practitioners, professionals in that area will bring together on platform, all hospitals, and also AI integrated. And finally, we are going to provide global knowledge acquired by AI to local practitioners. This is preventive, curative, and also real-time monitoring. This is going to change totally everything. Now we are spending unnecessary money in hospitals. Somebody is ill, either necessary or unnecessary, we are going there, 7 days or 10 days, 5-star hotel rate. All hospitals, so much of money. And also some of the hospitals are having a problem of infection also. This is, if we succeed this model, I asked Bill Gates, why you have chosen Andhra Pradesh? People are talking, nobody has done any pilot. First pilot you are talking with proof of concept. I am having belief on you. I am having technology knowledge. But you are a chief minister. You can execute in field with perfection, precision. Then I can replicate globally. That is his answer. I am very happy we are working on that project. If I can do that project within 6 months, I can do one district, 2 years throughout the state. If I can do throughout the state, then I can replicate nation also. Even I am very happy the way we are working. CAI, we are working very closely. Chandrasekhar Tata is our co-chairperson for our task force in Andhra Pradesh. He is heading Andhra Pradesh development as a co-chairperson. So this is my belief. All industries, government has to work together, then only we can achieve better performance, better future. Third one, as you rightly mentioned, this is my dream from the beginning. Water for sustainability. Even sometimes some parts of the nation full of water, sometimes drought. Floods and droughts are going on. Even in the beginning, some of you are aware, national highways. At that time also, where is money? During Vajpayee period. I was in Malaysia. Malaysia at that time only 2 crore population. Ours was at that time 120, 130 crore population. They had east-west corridor, 8-lane road. Then I came and asked him, this is not fair. Country is not having this type of road like that. Then he told me, where is money? Don't go think money, give a policy, money will come automatically. That is where we started first national highway from Chennai to Nellore. That was the proof of concept, then replication. That is how within 4 years' time, Golden Quadrilateral Road has been built. So now, as we rightly mentioned, we, in Andhra Pradesh, Polavaram project, one of the biggest project in the near future, we are completing. If you see Polavaram, 2,000 TMs of water is going to see every year average, for 100 years average. Now I want to tap 200, 300 TMs of water, which is going to see linking of rivers throughout Andhra Pradesh, from Vamsadhara to Penna. If I can do that, every acre I can give water with assured water, then I can change economy in Andhra Pradesh. That is the biggest project. Now Government of India also, or Andhra Pradesh Prime Minister is talking intra-river linking. First, if we do intra-river linking, then we can go national level, how to link it. That is what he is thinking. We are going to start very shortly this linking of project. Third one, circular economy. Long back, I have given this report, Swachh Bharat. Now we are taking in a big way Swachh Andhra Pradesh. How to go for circular economy? Recycling, reuse, everything we are working. Ultimately, my aim is either forest cover or horticulture, plain land plantation, everything, 50% green cover. As on today, 29%, I want to go for 50%. That is another thing we are working. So, this is where, while working for future, and also we have to protect sustainable economy, sustainable environment. That is where I am doing. I am confident we will do it.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Sanjeev Puri, he's also investing in your state heavily, and he should